Problem 121 is going back to think about a topic we covered in Chapter 8. So if I look at the polynomial, the f of x here, it's a third-degree polynomial. And I want to think about possible linear factors. So whenever we want to look at these linear factors, we're always looking at the constant term here of the original polynomial. So negative 15 is the constant term, which means my linear factor would have to divide evenly into 15. It would have to be a multiple of 15. So, or a factor of 15 rather, not a multiple. So 2 is not, and 4 is not. So x plus 1, because negative 1 would be the root, that would work. And positive 3, so x minus 3 could also be a possible factor. So on this one, there are two possibilities, x plus 1 or x minus 3. Both a and d would be possible factors. From here, we would go through and use a graphing calculator and test that out and to see what the actual factor is, or the actual root, and then we can do our polynomial division. But for this one, we just need to figure out which are the possible factors.